What's your name? Sima.
Yeah.
Wow.
The video goes up. If any of you guys are seeing this thing, comment. Just
hi, listen to
events. Hey, events. Events, represent yourselves.
Today we're reacting to picking up hot girls in South Africa.
Let me know.
And we'll let you know where to reach me.
Link ngenzansi bio lapho ku
Tinder profile.
bio. Nginsizwa mina nginayo Tinder. Lapha ngenzansi nje kubhaliwe ukuthi uzongithola phi. Picking up hot girls eMzansi base UJ.
The best university in South Africa.
Inkinga yami ukuthi lo hot girls or hot wakho wedwa, but anyway, so kesibone.
Hey guys, it's your boy Lebogang Leisa back at it again. Top 2, but not 2, baby. You guys know the vibes. So if it is your first time here, hit the subscribe button down below. But if it's not your first time here, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, guys, you know, Valentine's Day is here. And yeah, guys, I'm going to be picking up beautiful...
I celebrate Valentine. Ngizwana usuku leyifele. Indoda ezokutshela ukuthi indoda ezokutshela ukuthi Valentine miyaqala. Odlento Nkosi yami ya.
Girls at the University of Johannesburg. So if you guys like the video, get this video to at least like 500 likes if you want a part 2, or if you want to see me go to like vids and get the girls there, you know. But other than that, let's
ngizobosha ama-breaking and entering. Ningena zonke indawo zokufunda.
But hey, do you know how hard it is to get in?
I don't think it's as hard. Man, getting a mod.
No, it's worse then because you need reserved parking.
Oh yeah.
Let's get into the video and enjoy. Cheers. Hi guys.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I think I should call the cops on you guys, because it's illegal to be looking this beautiful, you know? Yeah, what's your name? What are you guys' names? Emily. And you? Susanna. Alright, yours? Sally. And yours? Eva.
Ungafika kimi ungitshela ukuthi igama lentombi yakho uSuzana angike ukukhongela. Sorry.
Susanna.
Ngike ukukhongela.
It's Susanna.
uSuzana man uqeda kusho.
It's Susanna.
Yeah, what's your name? What are you guys' names? Emily. And you? Susanna. Alright, yours? Sally. And yours? Eva. Where you guys from? You guys look like exotic.
We're from Sweden and the Netherlands.
Oh, from?
Netherlands.
Netherlands and Sweden. Do you guys?
Sweden also funda la. Isn't Sweden supposed to be like top shit school whatever?
I don't care enough to know.
Know how to speak like any Russian?
No.
Because you know I have a bit of Russian in me, you know? Oh yeah, because yeah. So you guys are studying this side.
Yes.
Wow. When did you guys arrive?
Why are they naked?
Yeah.
When did you guys arrive?
This Monday. Yeah.
This Monday. Oh.
Actually, kungani vele
Why are
bangaqoki
they naked?
etshanini phambi kwawo wonke umuntu? You disgust me.
Wow. So you guys are new around here. Yeah. That's really nice. You know, I'm from here. I'm from around here.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm just looking for new friends.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you specifically.
You are too.
Who did it say specifically?
Oh, lalela. You are too. Utheni? What's the line? Oqale ngayo. You are too something to look. Should be arrested or something like that.
Oh yeah, you guys should be arrested because
You're picking up girls. They should be arrested.
Some of those arrested because you're too hot or whatever.
Even though I'd arrest them for different reasons, but that's another story.
Public indecency has to be at the top of that list.
Ufuna babe abangani bakho but they too hot, they should be arrested. Ufuna ukuba u-friend zone, ubhonyela ulale kabuhlungu ebusuku. Kwenziwani ngawe kahle kahle?
I want to be your Valentine, you know? How are you? What's your name? Fanele. Okay, my name is Lebs. I just wanted to give you this, you know, because you're very beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. So like, yeah, like, what are you doing on Valentine's? You'll be in school. Nah, I'm not that guy. But look, you're very beautiful. I won't even lie to you. I'm being genuine,
Hey,
right?
kodumile man.
On brand. Kuthiwa on brand.
Le stand level ishawa. Hey, kodwa ithi ngaqamba man. Khona abanye nje.
Yilabo abathanda izinto ukugqumela into engakufuni ezingahlangene nawe.
Kodwa cha,
Yena
hayi.
lento leyo.
Indlovu yasithela
Hawu
nto.
Nkosi yami yazi ijini izibonakala ukuthi istation intwana yami iphume intwana yonke dad i-design.
Now and I wanna. Oh, I'm a film student. I just finished the lecture. Look, let me take you out. Let me grab.
That's the smoothest thing he has ever said in his life.
Yeah,
That's the smoothest thing he's ever said in his life.
what a way. Like,
Uhlakanipha la nganasidingo khona.
yeah, but why do you have it? if you're a
You're
student,
full student wenzani?
it's better if the teacher has it. Why do you?
Grab your numbers and we can have fun on Valentine's Day. Are you down?
Okay.
Yeah.
Gents,
Get in and get out.
secret. Wonke amantombazane ahlezi eshibile ngeValentine. Don't know how and why. But yabo wathi Valentine usungenile. Qedile ngaye futhi. Wena nje into efanele uyenze hlanganisa ubasket, yogurt namadumbe. Qedile mfana. Uyosutha, uyotaster, abheke phezulu.
Amagwinya.
Hayi amagwinyana manje. Sizi yogurt namadumbe la.
Lawa no cream phezulu ngisho.
Oh, lawo masimba lawo. Hayi kodwa.
Nah, man, I don't do the camera stuff. But if you want to, we can do it on camera,
No.
I have camera equipment, So which year are you doing? First year. So we're on the same boat. What are you
Get
studying?
in and get out.
Oh, so you're good with your money.
Get in and get out.
Alright, cool, we'll talk, nah. I love you.
What? Hey! A new game. Can we get a sponsor?
Alliance
Sponsorship.
30 lanisithinte laphiyana
Yes.
yabo.
I have. Where do you play this piece of shit game?
Hayi akazi kodwa sithinteni sifakana imali.
Please don't throw that flower away. Yeah. Oh, she has a boyfriend. Where's he from?
Y'all niggas all their boyfriends.
Netherlands. He's all the way that side. Oh, that's crazy. Look, let me take your numbers down.
Is that a
I see
black
you guys
girl?
aren't used to.
Yeah,
Is it hot that
it's a
side?
black
Yeah.
girl that side.
Oh, so you guys
Local
like
me.
the heat because you guys are the only ones. Yeah.
When I saw it.
So you guys have South African numbers now. Ah, that's really nice. I have one. That's
Okay.
yeah. Since I was a child, like,
Yeah,
I'm more active on Instagram
Me
than
too. We don't
Alright.
use WhatsApp at
No.
home, so we are not used to
No,
it.
Swedes doesn't use
Wow.
WhatsApp.
Okay.
To Instagram.
Just type yours out.
Oh, okay.
And then we can
Kanti
hang
ufuna
out.
ubani?
Of course.
So I'm a content creator. That's what I do. Lebogang.
Lebogang?
Yeah.
Come on.
Lebogang.
She want me.
She want me.
What's your name?
Tepiso.
Tepiso. Wow, you're very beautiful. I won't lie to you. Hey. Yeah. My name is Lebogang.
Sure, that's what you saw.
Continue. I'm looking for something.
Yeah. What you looking for? For a clinic. Okay, I'll direct you to this now.
Clinic.
But
Miss me with your
Share
bullshit.
parts. Share
You ain't
parts.
really wild, uyagula.
Share parts.
Uyakhwehlela ambakini. Hey.
Hey, you play clinic.
Une-pneumonia uhamba ngobra ngaphandle kwenzakalani ngawe ufuna nama-clinic.
nah, very stunning. What are you doing on Valentine's Day?
Isn't like they coming
Medication, bitch. Uthe clinic.
Monday.
Yeah, this coming.
Attending my first class.
Your first classes. Okay, look, now whenever you free that week, nah, can I just take you out for like a date?
This is
You know
gonna
what's your
take you
favorite
out.
restaurant?
Food chain, but then I don't know.
Food chain.
We have it here, yeah.
Oh, where you from?
I'm from Tembisa.
You're from Tembisa.
Yeah, it's
Okay, that's
1632.
really nice. Wow, you're very stunning. Yeah, can I please get your numbers quickly?
Just do it first because of finale appointment.
Oh, no. Oh, okay, sorry, nah. Give me your name. Okay, Tippies. Promise, nah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So directions.
Directions. Honestly.
Oh, she's holding him hostage. He's holding him hostage.
Ngaphambi kokuthi ngikutshele.
Yazi le
Thanda ukuthi
clinic
uqale.
yase-UJ ifihleke kanjani?
I don't know.
He doesn't know. Exactly. Exactly. Ifihlekile iclinic yase-UJ. Like ifihlekile like.
Awembaka.
Ah.
Ngeke.
Okay, but let me ask these guys here. Hey guys, how are you? Yeah, so I'm new here and I'm just looking for directions.
Oh my god.
Directions
You're
to
so
your heart.
funny.
You get it now.
Wait,
But
what,
like,
what did
what's
he
your
say?
name?
What did he say? I didn't catch it. I didn't catch it. Jesus Christ. Okay. Let's hear this abortion.
Yeah, so I'm new here and I'm just looking for directions. Directions to your heart. You get it now. But like, what's
You
your
get
name?
it.
Can I just stop you for a second?
get
What's
it.
your name? Oh, Ratile. My name is Leisa. Nice meeting you. Yeah, I think
Ah,
you're really
this
beautiful. Can I
nigga.
just stop you for 1 second? I won't waste your time. Yeah,
You
so
are
what are you doing on
currently-
Valentine's
Nganihamba mngani.
Day?
Nothing.
Nothing. You don't have plans.
Jesus Christ, look at these eyes. This woman is angry.
Yeah.
This woman is pissed. Dog, she has that Vegeta. She has that Vegeta look. That I'm
Phelele
saying
i-makeup
look.
izona ebusuku uyamcasula.
Like I'm a prince of Saiyan. Yo, dog, she has that look,
She has
bro.
that look.
Look at even even the nose, dude. Look at the tip.
I bet. Can I just get your numbers so that you know I can take you out? What's your
Iyangiqeda le. Mayibona ukuthi inkulumo iyabhethi with that fork.
But the problem is, he gets the numbers and then he wants to small talk
Exactly.
again.
It's like uqedile boy.
favorite restaurant?
No, I don't have.
You don't have. So you don't go out like that.
Ayikho intombazane ne-favorite restaurant by the way. Ayikho.
If I'm
Ayikho.
ngafunde i-UJ angaze ngakhipha intombazane.
Ngaphandle kwalokho. Ayikho intombazane
Kodwa
ene-favorite restaurant.
Bezikhona iy'ntombi.
Zikhona namanje.
Oakland Park.
Imayini.
Bezikhona, Nkosi yami.
I don't live here. I'm from Pretoria.
You're from PTA. You won't
No,
hurt
but
me,
then
nah.
I love Rugby.
Oh, you live at Res. You won't hurt me, nah. Let's say we fall in love and do all that. You won't hurt me because hey, PTA hands, y'all are dangerous, bruh. Oratile, nah. Okay, nice meeting you, Oratile, nah. Yeah. So next
Hug,
week.
seal the deal. Hug, sharp, bye-bye. Mwah. Okay, not mwah, but
Thathi hug.
90%. Umshayeli kaCloud umqedwe 90%.
Shanye hug umbambe. Asihlangane ngamathambo. Asihlangane ngamathambo.
Monday, I'm taking you out, nah. So who doesn't have a Valentine's here? Because it's next week Monday and
So decide to question.
you know
Look at the
you're
auction.
looking for friends. I'm looking for that specifically, you know.
Ugh.
I mean, we can be friends, you know. We can be friends, but you know, I found her attractive, you know. So yeah.
Nokuthi uqhubela iqembu lonke.
Number. Someone just gave you the numbers and you are doing it. Ah.
Nkosi yami.
But I don't mind it. Yeah. So how do you guys feel about like
to the
South African men and shit?
Oh, it's been great.
It's been great.
Yeah, it's been great. We love it.
that
We
is-
love the weather because it's so cold now back home.
Girl in a white ghost
So
squad.
you private.
She's the only girl
Axis.
in a white girl squad
It's
wearing
not-
an all white outfit.
Yeah, but that's not a sister.
Yeah,
That's not a sister.
it's a sister.
Aye, yakana afro.
Look at that.
Akazi ukuthi kuchaza ukuthini mawume kanje.
Look at that melanin. She doesn't even have to tan. She wore pants for this shit.
Exactly, she's turning ngoba ufuna ukufita
No, she's not
Sidwaya
tanning.
popho, sidwaya popho.
Bheka uhleli lento. She's in the shadow.
Uyasha yena akathini.
Oh yeah, I'm private.
Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, guys. You know, I love you guys. Nah. Stay safe. Yeah. Oh, what's your name? Sima. Wow.
Hey.
Yeah.
The video, Nkosi yami. Mantombazane, if any of you guys are
You
seeing this
change.
thing,
Hi, listen to
comment.
Vets.
Just
Hi, listen to Vets.
Hey, Yvette,
Hi, UJ. Hi, UJ kumnandi but.
Yvette, represent yourselves.
Hayi, iVets ayinabantu abanje.
Fakeni
Namanga,
inkukhu or
namanga.
something.
Ayinabantu abanje iVets.
Abantu.
iVets ayinabantu abanje.
Angeke
iVets ayinabantu abanje. Ngiyazi iVets.
Vets,
Ngiyazi iVets.
Vets.
Ngiyazi
Okay,
iVets.
okay, sharp. We're gonna come back.
iVets.
No, sibeke nje siyeke lento.
Okay.
We're gonna come back. Sikhiphe-ke ama-results. Mhlazane sibuya khona. Sharp.
Kodwa cha.
Hayi
iVets.
siyeke. Hayi. Hey.
Yes.
today in your outfit, you know?
Where's the Pick and Pay when I'm found? Where's the Pick and Pay? Where's the Pick and Pay?
Unazi Campus Square.
Yeah, fade. But the Pick and Pay.
Where's the Campus Square one?
Campus Square fade. That's Pig. Campus Square. But where's the Pick and Pay?
Pick and Pay igcwele i-vets. Igcwele amahaya se-vets.
Amahaya. I'm actually reaching right now.
Okay, no. Well, the overwhelming majority amahaya.
Hayi.
Bheka, ungakhulumi nge-Pick and Pay ngoba i-Pick and Pay futhi inalaba se-Rosebank College.
Okay, number. Okay, no, it's fine.
You're looking really good. What inspired your outfit?
Myself.
Yes.
What
Oh,
inspired the outfit? Ijini neskipper. Ubuzani kanti?
Easy.
Ngiyadlala.
Easy.
yourself. Look, now can I just get your numbers before you leave, you know? And
You
maybe
didn't even say jack shit.
I could be your Valentine. Do you
Lo, we have vets. We have vets. We have vets. We have vets. On brand. we have vets.
Buka UJ. Bude. Not a
No.
goalkeeper.
Akufuneki ngabula. She's an infiltrator. Lo uyaphuma lo. She's an infiltrator. We have vets. Ngumbona nje. We have vets.
UJ. Apa mangam.
She's wearing flip-flops.
have a Valentine?
Yes, we have vets, lo. She's an infiltrator. We have us now. We have vets.
No.
You will say in the next episode.
Why not? Bruh, a
Your
beautiful
game was so fucking weak,
No,
Lan.
ma'am, we have vets. We have vets. It says they're good, like fountain of youth. Let's say UJ. That
but like
fountain.
yourself. Yeah, can I just get your numbers, you know? Wow. So you
Booyah!
single, you don't have a
Booyah!
nigga? Next. Okay, please just have your name out as well. Nah? So look, this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna text you, and then what's your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant.
Yeah. Don't say McDonald's because you know I'll take you out to Rocco Mama's, like the nice
Now,
bit.
Kulma talking big shit. Get down your file.
Ula,
Iroko Mamas is spare.
esnabelungu.
Yeah, basically.
It's not very
It's
long.
spare Iroko Mamas.
Restaurants, you know, you
It's
just
better
tell me what
for
you
the
want and
black
then I'll
people.
give it to you, you know.
Then do you need
Oh, you don't know. I don't worry, I'll surprise you, nah. Yeah, and well, nice meeting you, you know. Have a lovely day. And yeah, by the way, we're just shooting a YouTube video. This is the cameraman. Can you see my mic is here? Sheba. Yeah. Sure, I'll send you the video, nah. Yeah.
Well, I didn't say they were the most smartest. I said they were the hottest. I didn't say they are the most observant.
Intellectually challenged. Yadlala.
How are you? What's your name?
Like, that's
Yeah.
his first thing. Like.
Yours, Palisa and Kumo. Wow. Okay, no and nice meeting you. My name's Lebogang. I won't lie to you. You're the most beautiful girl I've seen today on campus.
Nigga, you're lying.
Yeah, so like what
Even she knows that
Even she
statement is
knows.
bogus.
She's not even the hottest one
In this
next to her.
Ah, come on now.
Yeah.
you around here, which year are you
Dog, there's no way you can look at this guy and say, "Okay, this one, she's probably ugly under that mask. There's no way.
Have fun. Same thing.
studying?
Let me tell you. Strategy game, big dog. And then Zenda boards. Passing, selling.
Yes, we have a computer. It works.
Yes.
So, yes.
See?
Thursday offices.
Oh, the SRC offices. You know, it's my first day on campus, and you know, I'm not familiar with the place as well. But yeah, like you're really beautiful, and you caught my.
ingane xa kuyinkinga zakho uyambona ufuna nama office
Omunye ufuna ukuya eklinikhi.
wena ufuna ukumfaka le nto yakho
Omunye ufuna ukuya eklinikhi.
iy'nkinga zethu zingakanani
Interest. Can I get your numbers, maybe? And then you know we can look forward together. Yeah. So what are you guys studying?
We're actually here for applications, things, and
Oh, so it's your first year.
no, we're not yet accepted.
Oh, right.
So that's why we're looking for
Yeah. And
Yeah,
then by the
big
way,
dog.
do you have
You
a
never went to
Valentine?
school, did you?
Oh, you do. Ah, wow. Oh, it's also your birthday on Valentine's Day. Okay. But what are you doing later on that day? please just type your name out.
I'm going out.
Oh, did you say she has planned?
No, her birthday is on Valentine's Day.
Oh.
You're going out now. Okay, maybe I'll catch you after Valentine's Day, you know. Leisa. Yeah. Can your boyfriend won't have a problem, ne? My name is Lebs, ne? Yeah, it's nice meeting you guys.
Shut
you
the
can get
fuck
it
up.
that way, ne? Yeah.
Can you direct us to the shit and
To the-
then
okay.
I'm gonna come back and talk to you.
Okay, look, now let me grab
I'm
your
gonna
numbers
come
then
back
I'll
and
show
talk to you. What the fuck is this?
you know, I think you're really beautiful, you know?
For the leverage.
Yeah, so where you guys from?
From
Yay!
Oh, Escort.
Cameraman,
That's
you
really
fucking
nice,
punk.
Cameraman.
you know? I think you're really beautiful, you know? Yeah, so where you guys from?
Ask say born.
KZN.
But
Oh,
then-
Escort.
each
That's
in,
really
but then-
nice, you know? Yeah, I'm from around, you know, I can show you this place. Yeah. Do you have a Valentine's, by the way? You don't have?
I do.
Oh, you do? Alright, you know, maybe I'll convince you over text, you know?
To not have one.
To have, yeah. So you can be mine, you know?
Okay.
Nice meeting you, nah? Yeah. So it's that way? Yeah. So when you turn there, yeah. I also need directions as well. Because I saw you guys came from that direction. Yeah, I need directions to your heart.
This motherfucker don't miss.
This motherfucker is a fucking
That
fuck. You can't
motherfucker
act things
don't
like this.
miss,
Let
man.
me
He's
do
good.
This is just a video. I'm mic'd up. It's called Picking Up Girls in South Africa. Yeah, so it's gonna be out on YouTube. That's why I said I'm a content creator. Just say hi to the camera there. Yeah.
That's the camera.
Come on, there's the camera.
Uguge.
Akafika vele. Hey.
Angazi. Yazi Mandela died 10 years ago.
Lo ubelesele lo.
Low belesel. Kodwa hayi.
Just say hi.
Trade one for the other. Kiyafana. Both them niggas.
Yeah, so just say hi to the camera. Yeah, bruh. Yeah. Sharp, ne? Oh. Yeah. Excuse me? Yeah. But you cute. Like, I might even text you, ne? Okay, bye.
Hey, bafowethu. Hey.
Yeah, it was this was a good video. You know, EUJ has the best quality women, so yeah. It was easy
I
for
don't
him
know
to
about
find
that. I don't know about
girls.
that. Yeah. We need to put it to the test.
No, I have. I was conducting a study back in 20.
Studies na hypothesis.
Yeah,
That's not hypothesis. That's not my research results.
that's not important.
Wow.
The important is the study was
Le
completed.
inyanga ethu swimming pool. Abo inyanga zele ethu swimming pool because I phansi lento. Anyway, yeah, hey, talented call. But in any case, picking up hot girls in Mzansi, Lebogang. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Like it, subscribe it, suggest in the comment section any video you'd like us to react to. Subscribe, share the link, friends, family, all of that good stuff. Nentombi yakho uyitshele ungasabi ngeke ikushiye. Uyitshele nayo.